That's my best falsetto voice! On today's broadcast, Grendel updates its CRM and portfolio reporting engine to help you be more efficient. Find out what IBM Watson has to say about your personality. And a new app helps crystallize what you know about your clients and prospects.
So get ready, FPPad Bits and Bytes begins now!
Hey everyone, I'm Bill Winterberg, and thank you for joining me for this week's Advisor Technology News broadcast. Today's episode is brought to you by Itegria, providers of complete outsourced technology support, security, infrastructure, and IT solutions exclusively for RIAs. In their new book titled Red Flags, you'll learn how to protect your firm from cyber attacks, disasters, and IT compliance risks. Learn more about the Red Flags book by visiting fppad.com/Itegria. This week's top story comes from Grendel Online, as the technology provider is evolving from a standalone CRM solution to a fully featured wealth management platform. Now, the move towards platforms is definitely a growing trend in the industry, because if you remember last year, InStream Solutions, which started out as a financial planning software program, also added features and adopted the wealth management platform moniker. This week, Joel Bruckenstein provided an update of Grendel, which features a web-based CRM that stores all the essential contact information and notes about your client interactions. In addition, Grendel now offers performance reporting modules available through a strategic partnership with First Rate, a performance solution provider for SEI, SunGard, and more. So now advisors can view portfolio holdings and performance within the Grendel platform, and they can customize client reports using a report builder that has roughly 100 widgets that can be arranged with a simple drag-and-drop editor. Bruckenstein does mention some concerns about the lack of comprehensive trading and rebalancing functionality and limited integrations relative to the other wealth management platforms. But Grendel certainly isn't asleep at the wheel. While Grendel might fall short of the features offered by established platforms like Envestnet Tamarac and Orion Advisor Services, Grendel isn't going to come with the premium price tag. Grendel offers a pathway for advisors using standalone CRMs who are looking for something a little bit more comprehensive, but also want something that won't break the bank. For more information on Grendel's updates, be sure to visit fppad.com/160 for the links to this week's top stories. Next up is news from IBM. Yes, that's right, that IBM. Now, on the technology side, you probably associate IBM with its supercomputer named Watson, especially after the artificial intelligence computing system decimated human contestants in the popular TV game show Jeopardy! Anyways, IBM is now actively seeking opportunities to enhance financial services by applying Watson's enormous capabilities to better address client needs. Now, I admit this might sound a little bit like science fiction, but here's how you can test the power of Watson today. IBM has a page online where you can paste in a block of text written by anyone and instantly receive personality insights about the author of that text. The link to that page is in this week's top stories. Try it with something you've written and then see what happens when you enter text typed by a colleague or even a client. The more text you have, the more accurate the insights should be. Say, for example, using an epic blog post from Michael Kitces. It's pretty amazing and also a little creepy at the same time. He has an affinity for blue shirts? Huh, who knew? And finally, if you think IBM's personality insights are creepy, a new app out this week called Crystal takes things a step further. Crystal scours the web for public information written by your connections and then builds a personality profile for that person. If there's enough public information available, Crystal offers insights on what to say in a conversation, how to compose emails to that person, details on that person's work style, and what to do when you're conducting a sales process. So instead of you doing all the information discovery on clients and prospects to paste into IBM's Personality Insights tool, Crystal does all the heavy lifting for you. Say you want Michael Kitces to respond to one of your emails, for example. Here's a hint. Don't use sarcasm. To experiment with a free trial of Crystal on your own and to read stories on Advisory World that didn't make this week's broadcast, head over to fppad.com/160 for the links to this week's top stories. Remember, Bits and Bytes exist because of the support of our sponsors, so be sure to visit Itegria to learn more about their outsourced technology and IT solutions for RIAs. Check out their newly published Red Flags book and more by visiting fppad.com/Itegria. So you must tell me, what did IBM's Watson say about you? Do you think Crystal is creepy or actually useful? Send me a tweet using @BillWinneberg or leave a comment on the FPPad YouTube channel. For FPPad.com, I'm Bill Winneberg. See you next time. I admit this time takes things a step further. Think thing. Thimble, please say you want to. Michael gets this.